In this video, I'm going to go through how to edit a report to allow it to display the information that you want to see. So if we navigate to the Reports tab, and I'm going to use a profit and loss for this example. This is the most common report that a lot of people will look at. So the first option you're presented with here in this drop-down is what report period you would like to view. So for example, if I wanted to view all my information from all years, I could click this all dates here. Alternatively, we could do this quarter. You can also overtype in these boxes and put a custom date range in if you wanted to. The next option is to choose how to display your columns. At the moment, we only have the totals showing. However, if you wanted to split it into months, for example, you have the option to choose that there, as well as many other options. So if I choose months, I'm just going to click on Run Report to show you. And here you can see the report is now split into the 3 months from the quarter. In the Show Non-Zero or Active Only drop-down, choose Active. And what that will do is show only rows with entries in the date range you have selected. It will pre-populate to this, however you can change this in this drop-down here if you wanted to. You can also then choose to compare the figures in the report to another period. These will be placed on the same report for easy comparison side by side. So for example, I want to compare this to a previous period, and I want to have a look at what the change was in pounds and the percentage of that change. So if I just click on Run Report here. Now, as you can see, this is quite a long report, and this is due to the fact that we've still got display columns by months. So you can see that you need to play around with it sometimes to get the information that you want to show clearly. So here you can see it's compared the previous quarter to the current quarter, and it's recorded the change in pounds and the percentage change in those pounds as well. It doesn't look like much has changed in this period. However, obviously, as you've got more information in the system, this might be of use to you. The other option you have up here is the accounting method. Cash shows only money that you've paid or received in the date range, whereas the accrual basis shows only invoices and bills raised alongside expenses paid in the period. As you have seen throughout the video, just click on the Run Report to be able to view the figures that you are requiring. You can actually customize the report further by clicking on this Customize button up here in the top right hand side of the screen. There are many options to go through in these little arrows here. So you've got rows and columns which you can change. You can actually filter it by either, for example, a customer, a supplier, a product or service. And you've also got options to change the header and footer. I would definitely recommend coming in here and just playing around with selecting different options to get the right report for you. It's very beneficial to go through this, and you can't actually break QuickBooks by clicking any of these options, so it's just an experimental game. See what you can find out and create the best report that you possibly can to give you the information you need. Once you've got a report that you've customized and you're really happy with and you think, oh, I might want to come back to this in the future, you can actually click on Save Customization in the top right hand corner and call the report something memorable. For example, profit and loss for the quarter. If you haven't got a report group, you will need to add in a new group. So you could call this Customized Reports or something that you are going to remember to go back to. Once you're happy, click Save. Now you may be thinking, where has that saved to? So if you go back to your reporting tab, and here on the top you've got 3 tabs. Under custom reports, you'll now see you've got your customized report group which we made, and you can see here that you've got that profit and loss for the quarter report that we have created. In the next video, we'll have a look at how to automate this. So this no longer says unscheduled, but you'll set up a time and a date for the report to be sent out.